Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to open and close a position. Trading with Plus500 can be carried out anytime, anywhere, using all types of devices, including web, Android, iOS and more. To open a position, search and choose the instrument you wish to trade or select it from the list. You are able to add the instrument to your favorites by clicking the star. Use the chart to explore its past performance. Create alerts to get notified about price and percentage changes. More information can be found by scrolling down to the info section. By clicking buy or sell, you can set the size of your position. As an example, let's open a buy position on 500 oil barrels. Remember, at Plus500, you don't buy or sell the underlying asset, but rather trade with contracts for difference. If you wish, you can place stop orders to close the position at a certain price, close at profit or close at loss. Adding a guaranteed stop at a wider spread will ensure an absolute limit on your potential loss. You can also place a future order to only buy the instrument when its price reaches or surpasses a certain rate. When you're done, click Buy. To view your position's details, click on the Open Positions menu item. The Edit button enables you to add or update some of the available stop orders. The Close button will close your position. You can also close part of your position by changing the amount. To open a new trade, simply click on the Trade menu item. Want to learn more about online trading? Check our website.